In this video, we're going to look at SMS programming only. The first thing we need to do is to tell the intercom we're in charge. Because it's brand new, it'll accept a master me text message, which I'm going to send now.
Number added.
It replies by SMS, number added, and it also says number added. To get it to call me, I'm going to text it, call me.
Number added.
Obviously it says number added and sends a text message number added at the same time. It accepted the call me command because I'm now an admin. So if I text it the word list, again you've got to be an admin to get the list or a master to get the list. You'll see my number's in there as a call, CM, and a master, M. If you want to add another number, you'll just keep adding them. Call space 0712345678 for example. I put a full stop on the end, which is not mandatory, but it's recommended in case your phone puts a space at the end and it might cause confusion with the intercom. So I'll send that again. And it says number added. There is no limit on the number of master users you can have. So you could add 0712345678 as a master user as well. There's space for 1,000 numbers or codes, so you can keep going probably to as much as you like. You may have noticed I made a little mistake there. I added too many 4s, so I'm going to text it remove and that number I've just added.
Number removed.
So it says number removed and it texts back number removed. If you do list, you can see the number's gone. If we want to know the status of the output relays at any stage, we can just text the word status. And that'll tell us whether the relays are on or off or the gate's open or closed. And also tells us the firmware number. We can check which network it's using. So we do network status. And it's using, well, it's LTE status and it's using the 4G network and it's got quite a good signal, 20 out of 31. I did say this video was about SMS programming and not the app, but you can always get to the live screen for this particular unit by texting it get link, which is 2 words. As long as you've got data on the SIM, chances are this will work fine. You'll notice in the link it sends you, connection to the iot-portal, it's got the device ID for this particular ID, which is the 40568 number. And there's also a key of 12 digits, which constantly changes every time you get every time it creates a new session on the portal. So we can actually click that and we can see it brings up the live screen for the unit. There was a reason I wanted to get the live screen up. If we go back to SMS programming, I'm going to send code 1234. Okay, I'll send that now. It should come back with number added, just like it was a phone number. Number added. So on the live screen we can see that the relay operated and then it deactivated. Similarly, we can just send a text message, for example, open. If we go to the live screen, we can see, you might have heard the click, but you can also see that the main gate, the hash relay, is activated. We can either turn it off by SMS by sending close or pressing the button on the live screen. So we'll do that again purely by SMS. We'll do open. You can see that it's open. And we can go close. Go back to the live screen. You may have heard it click. We can see it's closed as well. Perhaps the default 2-second relay time isn't long enough for you. So you can change that with the relay time command. So that's RLYTIME, and we're going to change it now to 10 seconds. Put a dot on the end just to be certain.
Command OK.
So it replies with OK and it says command OK. Every telephone number in the memory has dial to open access, but to add more people with just dial to open access, so they're not masters and they're not call numbers, you use the add command. So that's 07987654321. Okay, so we've added 0798, that number. And that I'll add that number to the memory so that if that number rings up,
number
you'll be able to open the gate. If you'd ever like to just start from scratch, you can send clear all as 2 words, and that just wipes everything and makes the intercom just as it was when it left the factory. You have to be a master phone, you have to use a master phone to do that, and also obviously you've also wiped the master phone number out of it, so you have to start the whole operation again from the beginning. There are 2 slightly simpler commands, which are clear numbers, that should really be, and that wipes all the numbers. And there's also clear settings, so if you change any settings, you can clear just the settings but leave the numbers in.